Welcome to another Dependable Concrete video. Today we're taking you to the Frankford section of Philadelphia, where we transform the basement with peeling and dusty walls into a space with flat new walls. You won't believe the difference. When this job is complete, our client will have a basement where she can do laundry in a bright and dust-free environment. Before we begin applying cement to the walls, we wrap pipes, meters, windows, and other critical components to protect them from splatter. To access the entire wall, we simply remove the washer, dryer, and stationary tub. Our aim is to ensure no area is left undone and to thoroughly cement all surfaces. To ensure a long-lasting, durable result, we've prepped the walls by scraping off any loose materials, which will prevent the cement from sticking to the wall. Furthermore, we've covered and protected the concrete floor from cement splatter. Because we are cementing a painted wall, we have to apply a special cement for the first coat, scratch coat. Regular cement will not stick to paint. The scratch coat has been applied, and now we are ready to apply the second and final coat. It's time to mix the cement. For a reliable job, we use 3 buckets of sand to 1 70-pound bag of mortar cement to a 1/4 pound of fiber. Fiber strengthens the cement to prevent cracking. We are now spraying the last and final coat to the wall. There are several methods to apply cement to the wall. We choose spraying the cement because it's much quicker and efficient. In addition, it's easier for us to apply cement to tighter areas, such as between floor joists. Mice infestation in homes are a result of mice traveling between the floor joists back and forth from neighbor to neighbor. Currently, our staff is actively smoothing the cement immediately after it's sprayed. This is a crucial phase as they focus on leveling and flattening the cement. Our objective is to deliver aesthetically pleasing basement walls that are as flat as drywall. Observe the flatness and smooth texture of these walls. They match the flat walls found upstairs, creating a consistent aesthetic flat look throughout the house. In summary, we have applied a sticky scratch coat followed by a final coat. Additionally, we have sprayed cement between floor joists to prevent mice infestation. And finally, we are going to brighten this dark basement by spraying the walls white. Using a paint sprayer can save time and money by covering large areas quickly and evenly, providing precise and even coverage with a consistent finish. Notice how the basement is becoming brighter. White paint is the best choice for reflecting light and brightening up a dark space. Again, our goal is to eliminate a drab basement and convert it to a bright, dust-free space. This job is now complete, and our client is very satisfied with the remarkable transformation of her basement. Our team at Dependable Concrete has ensured a high level of craftsmanship and attention to detail, resulting in walls with sharp corners and a bright and dry basement that is now free of dust, rodents, and creepy insects. With our work completed, our client can now pleasantly carry out her laundry routine, safely store delicate personal items, and simply enjoy a much improved experience in the largest room of her house. Please like, share, and subscribe to stay informed of our next video release. Thank you.